What's up, Everyday Blades? Well, I don't normally shoot unboxing videos, but I think we got a pretty cool one today with 4 knives, 4 separate boxes, so we're going to do an unboxing. Let's get started. We are using the Factor today. I know what I think all of these are, and they're all pretty cool. Oh yeah, Midgard's Messer, always a pleasure. Oh, look at that beast, the Devalin. Man, that is sexy. Razor sharp. Ooh. Man, I like that. I'm a fan of that. I'm becoming a huge Midgard's Messer fan, man. For the price of these knives, dude, they are killer. Definitely a review coming on that. Let's set it up next to the Factor. Nice. Alright, let's keep going. Things are looking good. Got this one taped good. What do we have here? It's behind door number 2. Oh, Spyderco. It's heavy. Very heavy. I mean, abnormally heavy. Spyderco Shaman with Zerk scales from Mint and Boss. Super cool. The only thing is, boy, that thing is heavy. I bet that thing's 8-9 ounces. I didn't realize Zerk weighed that much. Zirconium. S30V. Very cool. I like it. I'd rather have them in titanium, but I don't see that they make them in titanium, so that's what I got. Let's see what's behind door number 3. It's like Christmas. Another Spyderco. This one doesn't weigh 55 pounds. Ooh, yeah. This is that new Spyderco slip joint. That's cool. M390. My deal was, when you hold this in your hand like this, it's going to be practically a locked knife because you're holding the lock bar down. So, not really a lock bar, but it's part of the slip joint. I thought that was cool. What was the name of it? Pits. Cool. It's a size up against the Factor. Definitely an interesting knife. Alright. Final. Last but not least, I don't think. Might be least. I don't know yet. Got plenty of peanuts to recycle. Oh! It's like Christmas. My whole desk is full of cardboard and wrapping. This is new from Blade HQ, from the headquarters. This is the Becca. Ooh, I like that little pouch. That's cool. That is a cool pouch right there. I like that. I wish more of them came with small pouches like that. Usually they're huge. So this is the whole Deca in Magna Cut for $130 some odd. Straight out the box, the action is good, very good. Man, $130 for Magna Cut. Elijahwitz design. Deep carry pocket clip. Access style lock. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, guys, there it is. That's today's unboxing. Maybe we'll do more of these. That was pretty cool. I'm going to go play with my new toys. You guys have a great day. God bless you and your families. Say a prayer for our country. Good night.